We are running per diagram. They are 145, right?
Yes.
It's 145. Now, the issue is they wanted us to find from 0 to 67. Right? Now, we know from 0 to 60, we know from 0 to 70, but don't find out what way from 0 to 67. Right? That's why they are saying the number of people in the interval of 60 to 67, it is 105 minus 108.
105. 0 105.
145 minus 108. Where are they getting 145 from? 145 is from 0 and 7. They are subtracting 108. So 108 is from 0 to 60. They are from 6 to 7, right? 6 to 7. Using linear interpolation, 7 over 10 of the 7 people will be under 67 years old. Where are they getting 7 over 10 from? 67 minus what? 60 is 7. Over 10 is the whole of that, right? So it's 7 over what? 10. Of the 7 people. Where are they getting 67 from? 37 how many numbers? 145 minus what? 108. Tukipenda kwenda ngapi? 37. So 7 over 10 of the 7 people will be under 67 years old. Now, 7 over 10 over 73. Where are they getting 73 from?
73.
All right. You will break. We will continue. Proceed from that one again when we meet, right? We'll proceed from that one when we meet. When you go home, and just look at that one, and then the other one be line number 6, and then we'll do that. So when we meet, we want to finish off that, and then the other one. Then so we'll start on the. Can we just sign and then off we go? When you go home, please watch that one. Yeah. Sign. This is the 164th area. This is about your black and this is about my Mama.
What's that? Business is very.
Oh,
but the new is only by to remind.
Oh, Alma.
It's never.
Oh, I'm so a classic next like a kind of.
Now, where is that? What is this one?
Yes.
Alright. How are you, man?
I'm fine.
Fine.
That she'll find her. Okay. I gave you some work to do. Were you able to do it? To look for formulas to do addition, and then you're going to come and do the presentation by showing us how to do the formulas. Were you able to do it? Whatever did you say? But are you able to explain it? Because that is what is very important. To be able to explain it. Yes, when I give you work, I expect you to do it in class. Because I'm also reading out of class. I'm coming here spending my time in the library, reading and trying to give you updated information, trying to give you relevant information. And then you are the ones who are going to apply it in the classroom. Because I think when you see me in a classroom, I think it will be just me inspecting teachers and giving feedback on good practice. But I don't think, I will go back, but go back maybe with my own things. But going back to primary school, high school, it would be to give teachers good practice skills. But that's for me to go and work full time. Okay? Unless if something happens and I get away with lecturing, but I don't see it happening because the last time is not. So, organization. Well, I didn't do it because of childcare issues, but I would still be getting the same amount of money. So I would just need to work out, okay, it's late hour, because my salary will be the same. If you find me in high school. Or in primary school, I'm still earning what I'm supposed to be earning with the HEC. Because there are some who have PhDs. who have masters. I know a couple a lot who decide not to go into university lecturing because maybe the numbers are too many, there's a lot of research that needs to be done, there's a lot of work that needs to be done. Then they'll go back and what? Go into high school teaching, primary school teaching, even ECG, you find them. Okay? So, yes, it will depend on the workload, it will depend because they'll still get the same amount of time. Sometimes they will get more. Because some high schools are international, they still go up when they've got teachers that have got masters and degrees because they can justify and explain that we've got good staff, we've got educated staff, we've got staff that has been educated at home. So these are the fees to pay for that kind of caliber of teachers we have. So, yes.
It was only for preschool.
Yes, preschool, primary school, they're going to teach right up to primary school. Up to around standard school. And sometimes because what is in the curriculum and what is on the ground is quite different. So you might even end up even teaching right up to standard 8, standard 7, because you've got a degree. So the schools might say, okay, we cannot allow someone to teach standard 7, standard 8. You go into a school, you're the only one with a degree. It's happened to me before. Or a teacher trained degree. Okay? So automatically they'll give you a lot of responsibilities. Because you've got the pedagogy. You are the expert within that area. Others may have degrees but are not aligned to teaching. Yes. Is this clear? So, okay, let me just maybe sum up maybe in simple terms what we did last week, but I also want to do a presentation on how you can teach these formulas to the formula process, how to count, how to add, and how to subtract, okay? So we've got add in, okay? I'm also looking at the knowledge that is not covered, okay? So add in, we've got total or sum, okay? We've got plus, which is a symbol used by that. We've got sometimes what we call, so let me give you some. So you can use this to explain adding. So when you say add on, these are, okay, and also before I put this example, the format that you can find these questions, okay? Story form, in fact it's called a sentence form, okay? Sentence form, this is an example of a sentence form. If I say 2 plus 3 equals what? Okay? That's equals 5. It's a sentence form. Okay? There's another form. Columnar form. We add this. I say 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay? Yes. So this is written in sentence form. This is written in form, yes. But they're all the same, okay? When we then talk of add, okay, I will say the same number. So I will say this 2 plus 3 equals 5, okay? This is an add end. The same is a number that you add to another number, okay? And this, they're called add. Okay? This is a plus sign. That's the equal sign. Okay? This is called total or sum. So you can also do this by explaining to your learners. Okay? So the addition and addition to go add in, which is a separate number that you need to add to another number. Okay? You can also explain it in this way. You've got 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay? This is a This is another part. The edge is to make a hole. Start. This is an equal sign. Okay? That's the last side. That's in. Okay? Okay? We can either do it also another way, the same. So you can try and use different methods of the explanation of how to do it. Okay? That's another way of doing it this way. Okay? 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 So the whole is, so what you're saying is, you can either, okay, add from here to that, okay? Then we've got, I think the type of addition. You're going to look them up and you're going to tell what we've got cumulative types of addition. Okay, the addition process, cumulative addition. We've got distributive addition. Can you look up the different types of addition that we have? So cumulative addition, distributive addition, and also we have 4. I want you to work out the number. Okay? Attributive addition and also cumulative is the one where you add it. Okay? So maybe look up the different types of addition that we are supposed to do. Okay? Can you just look them up? Okay? Okay? We found that cumulative weighted, cumulative addition, distributive addition.
Cumulative,
Yes, cumulative, yes.
associative,
We are putting cumulative addition, yes.
distributive, and additive.
And what?
Additive.
Yes. Additive, like this.
Yes.
Okay? Those are the types of addition. So associative is number. So associative is what you see. Okay? So I've done A, this is a method that you know different ways that you can teach them. Okay, 2 plus that.
Yes.
Okay? And then you can do it this way. Okay? This is one part, a part of one part. Okay? Plus another part, equal that. You can teach them this method, okay? Then you can also teach them. This is called left hand. In fact, it's called L-S-H-O-H-R. Okay? This one, it doesn't really matter where you add from, okay? The question is if you add 2, okay? You can say, in fact it says A plus B equals C, okay? Or B plus A still equals C. It is actually saying it does not matter from which side you start off. You start off this side, you start off that side, the answer will still remain the same. Are you understand? So if we say A equals 4, okay? B equals 6, okay? So together, what is the answer? So we'll say A, the first option would be A plus B equals 1. So it is 4 plus 6 equals 10, okay? Or we can say B plus A, okay? So we say 6 plus 4 equals 10. It does not really matter where we start from. Sometimes they will say you start off with the small and different or the bigger difference. You start working on from the biggest number. Okay? So the biggest part plus the smallest part. Or you can say the smallest part plus the biggest part. The biggest part is which one? Is 6. So we can start from 6 plus 4. Or we can say 4 plus 6. We started from the smaller part. So it's still, that's another explanation that you can do. So you add from smaller or bigger part. Is this clear? Yes. Understood. The total or sum is just the added together. The numbers added together gives the total, okay? Plus is the sign that we are using to add these numbers together, okay? In this case, yes. The code distribution. Associative. It's with pictures. Okay, nice. Okay, let me give you an example. This is E now. Okay? We have 4 apples. Okay? This is our class size. Okay? We have 2 red apples. Okay? Equals 5. Okay? It equals 4 apples. And you do this with your letter to actually show the process of how it is done. Okay? Plus, and you can use it. So you have shown them that we are adding these. Even though they are different colors, we are saying the apples or whatever it is, the pineapples or whatever, we are still putting these together there and adding them with the smaller part like that. And then you will get them to a point where you just say, so count how many, and put it in numbers. Okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what you're simply teaching is that it does not matter whether it's cat plus dog. We are saying how many kids we have in total. Okay? We are saying whether it is spoons, we've got 10 spoons, okay, plus 2 forks. We are saying how many altogether cutlery do we have. Are you understand? So this is adding of different objects. So you can do this. This one you can teach to easily. Even standard 1, 2, 3. You can teach this. But then they will be able to work out. It does not matter the object. Yes. Are you understand? I'm trying to find ways that you can teach them. But don't just use one method. Okay? Try and use at least about 3. So this one is important to teach. Okay? The same as 4. Because some questions come in that order. This column is very also. When the now moving to bigger numbers, units 10, 100,000. Okay? This one, it is very also. Okay? And this one. Okay? This one, it is now in older classes. Are you understanding? Where they have to say that, okay, even if you say 100, okay, plus 246, okay, this is still a part. This is one part. We need to add it to another part to make what? A whole part. Okay? You can teach this, okay? Sentence 4, which numbers are we adding? We add A. Which ones are we adding? We're starting from here. So we're starting with A plus A. Right? Then we go to B plus B. Okay? Then we go to C plus C. You understand? Because there are some learners who are very sharp who would work it out like this quicker than the columns. So they'll just say 6, okay, A and A, okay, because we are starting with the units, right? So we're starting with the last number on the right, okay? So 6 plus 0 is 6, 2 plus 0, 4, 2 plus 1, 3. And there are countries that read from the right going to the left. Or we can do this column method, okay? It doesn't matter which one we take to start. It can be the big number or the small number. Or you can start it off with this is one part. So one part is our A. This is our B. It's another part, okay? So 100. Okay, we're doing it in columns. Okay, unit 10, 100. Okay, plus we said it does not matter the size, whether it's larger part or smaller part. Okay, here we decided to add this is the smaller part plus the bigger part. Okay, so we started with smaller part. I'm just trying to demonstrate the processes of the calculations that I have. So started with the smaller part. We are going to the bigger part, okay? Okay? And we are adding them according to columns. And we start off with A, B, C. Are you understand? So you can even teach them that you start with 1, 2, 3, but if you do that, then you'll end up counting the 1. But if you use letters, it's better. So we start off with, which is the first letter of the alphabet? A. So A represents the first number that we are going to add. Is it clear? So we are going to add 0 plus 6, okay? Here. There is nothing. We've got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Together, we have done A plus B equals what? Which is 65. And then which is the B part. You are taking this step so that you are trying to create a process within their mind. Because human beings, it has been said that they learn through the things that divide or subdivide into steps, into a system, into an order. Okay? And it also then reduces mistakes being done. It also then enables the process of to check whether each step has been done. It also helps the learner to identify their own mistakes. When you've taught it in steps and you've taught it in process. So which step, which part did you forget? Okay? They will then analyze, okay, so I did do so it will also help you to actually check their own errors themselves, yourself as a teacher, analyze the learner's errors in addition. So the A part, okay, they did this part, A. They did the B part, okay? They know how to identify that you have to add 0 plus 2. Maybe adding of the number. That's the part they are getting what? Wrong. Are you understanding? Maybe they added here, but they are not putting it here. So you can still award. So you award the mark to the process and the steps of how to do it. Are you understand? What you're trying to teach is you're trying to teach that they're able to work through the process, they're able to come up with the answer. The answer should be just that. So don't even, at some point you can even spend the whole term without even marking the answer. You are checking this process. Are you understanding? This works because with any number, with any other addition, you'll be able to do it without even you being able to, without you teaching them. Because they understood the process of how to do it, how to do it. Okay? This one, we said you would add from this on the top there. Is it clear? 0, there is nothing. Okay? 4, you can put 6 with here, there's good space. So 0 plus 4 is what? It's still 4 there. Okay? Leave that. Okay? Understood? Yes. Since you did do the homework, now I want you to look at cumulative addition and come and explain to me what I've done. This is cumulative addition, type of addition. You read out on it, and then you come and explain and make it up. Okay? This is distributive addition. This is what it means. Okay? This is associative addition. This is additive addition. Okay? And this is how I'm going to teach you. This is how it is done. Okay? But with ECD, you're not teaching them this. Okay? You might teach this maybe I think inside the type system. Okay? Cumulative addition. We're going to use cumulative addition. This is the method I'm going to use. Cumulative. The total. Okay? You can simplify it. Okay? At some point, by the time they get to standard 7, 8, 6, she asked them which method they use. I use the distributive addition method to come up with my addition. Okay? I use the associative addition. Okay? I use the additive addition. They might not know the words, but they can explain that I use this method. Okay? And then they explain the method. Okay? So at the end, you should have at least 3 or 4 different methods. Because you've got learners that will learn differently. Some will never get this. But given a million number, we'll work out it with this plan. But is that wrong? No. It's still part of math. And it's still part of sentence form. They just use the sentence form to work it out. Are you understanding? Although we know in practice that the column is the most easiest. Okay? So you teach them, then they pick which one they want. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. So cumulative, let's start off with cumulative. And then you come and demonstrate cumulative addition with a sum. Then you can say I'm a math teacher. Primary, right up to high school. You might even end up being better than a high school teacher because at least you are knowing which method. They are knowing how to work it out, but cannot explain the method. Okay? Yes. This type what I'm saying
I should use the same numbers
Or different number. I know, use different number. In fact, use numbers like we've not used before, so we can try all the numbers, all the digits. Okay? You can grab and make it clear if you want, because you have copied those notes, right? And if the marker is not working, put it on the side so we don't keep using them. Okay? So cumulative method. Cumulative addition method, okay? In fact, do you know what? Sometimes when you don't know math, you are the best teacher. I have taught math. My background is with math. I did not even try to teach math. But the students I would teach would not fail math. Because I was learning as I was teaching them. I even taught a deaf dumb Chinese, math and English. And they took part. That was the most hardest student for me to teach ever.
Okay. So cumulative addition.
Yes.
We say that when we add the numbers, we should give us the same answer. Okay. Like 4 plus 2.
Let's explain the theory. Let's explain the best. Yeah, okay. Yeah, let me give you leeway. Okay, let me give you leeway. Okay.
Okay. If we add the number, yes, the sum should equal to the result and add the same. Okay. If we add the numbers from the largest to the smallest, the equal sign.
So write what I explained.
Okay.
Yes. Large number, if it is large number plus small number equals small number plus big number. That's what they're trying to say, right? So whatever you're trying to say, the process of doing it, write it down so the learners to understand it. And you understand what I'm saying? Yes, it's like that. So that the child will know that, okay, the big number, I can start with adding the big number plus the small number. Okay?
Yes.
Or it doesn't matter, I can start off with the small number, adding the big number, the answer is going to remain the same because there is a class sign. Are you understanding?
Yes.
They need to know the reason, the rationale behind it.
So you have explained it. You have very
So explain it to me.
Okay. If you add the large number, yes, the small number, yes, the answer, okay, will be the same if we add also the small number plus the large number.
So you're trying to teach that it does not matter whether you start with add, you choose to add, maybe in your column, you choose to put the small number first, then the big number at the bottom, then you add. If you use column method, it does not really matter which number is going to be at the top. The big part, the smaller number, the smaller part of the number, or the bigger part of the number. The answer is still going to remain the same. Because accumulative is, we are adding on top. We're putting the add-ins. The add-ins are the numbers that we are going to add. They are called add-ins. So with cumulative addition method, okay, the add-ins, okay, we're going to add all the add-ins. We're going to class the add-ins to get the total or sum. Is it clear? Yes. Okay? Yes. So it's adding on top. Okay? Accumulative is what we keep on putting. What we keep on adding. These are the numbers. Even if the numbers, and you can do this even with 3 numbers. Let's try with 3 numbers. 4 numbers. 4 digits. 2 numbers. We've done single digits. Adding of single digits. That's adding of single digits. And the learners need to know. This is addition of single digits. 1, 2, 2 digits, accumulative addition of 2 digits. Then we do 3 digits. Then 4 digits. 5 digits is usually very rare, okay? Because you need to know right up to here to stand at 8 to the final line. So please put 2 digits. Add using accumulative addition method. And explain as you're doing it. Yes. No, teaching is about explaining. No, teaching is not about knowing the content, it's about explaining. You know the content in your head, but are you able to explain it and simplify it to a learner for the learner to understand? That's it. And what I've even observed throughout my teaching, even when I was running my own learning center, the teachers that got a C in GCSE produced A in GCSE. The teachers that did A-level math and then an A at GCSE Form 4 was not getting students to pass. I was very good and I told one of the teachers that I employed, he was very angry. I said, but that is the truth. We are looking now at the result. This teacher has got a C at Form 4, but has produced consider about 2 or 3 A's. He's produced A's that he didn't get in his Form 4. You have an A at Form 4, but you have not produced A's. And then at this stage, I was ready to pass. Okay? Yes. Okay, so let's try. So you can have the bottom page. Yes, after that. Should you see? Yeah, I know there is no border. There's no border. So use what is there. I think if you want to go, let's go and get it. Erase.
We are on 2 digits. So when we add the large number, okay, large number plus the small number.
So what you can also do is, you can just put it like that.
Right,
No. You can even just have a lesson where it is
just put number 20 plus 10. Ask them which one is the big number, which one is the small number, okay, which one is the first one part, which is the second, which is the other part, okay?
Okay? Are you understand? Yes. Yeah, it's a difficult concept to get, but trust me, when you get this concept, you will produce good results. You will not have students failing, because you have taught them the process of how to do it. They might not get the answer, but they'll get most of the part of the marks. Are you understand? So, okay, in this case we've got 2 adjectives. Which adjectives we have got? 20. With 20 is our first part, okay? 10 is another part, okay? We've got 2 numbers, okay? Which is the larger part? 20 is the larger part, okay? Smaller part is 10. Because you know why you want them to. And you know why? You should also try and monitor your writing. Because you keep starting with the big number. But some questions you start with 10 plus 20. So change them around. So that you teach them that it can start off, the question can start off with a smaller number, adding a bigger number. Or it can start off with a bigger number, adding a smaller number. So you need to even evaluate yourself, the sounds that you are giving in class. Yes. Are there differences in the kind of exam that they are going to ask? Are you making sure that all areas of addition has been covered? Is it clear? you see, you showed them how that it would be that. But how do we get there? How do we then do the addition?
The addition.
The process of adding this number.
The answer will be written on the bottom of the page. 19 plus 20 is 80. Then he also is 80.
So 20, but show the direction. Show the arrows of how to do it. Let's see it. Okay. Which one are you starting off with? And then it's like here.
Okay.
Let's use another marker, maybe the blue one. Yeah. So you're now using the whole part, okay? The one part plus the one part plus another part equals the whole part. Okay? Right. Okay?
Yes. So we are starting 10 from the left to the right.
Okay? So in this case, there left to right. So it's the left hand group. That's the starting point.
Yeah. Here we are starting from
The right.
right here. The right to left.
But right is where it's wrong.
Okay.
So you're indicating you're starting with right. Okay, the right side, yes. Yes. I think if you can just say right, then they know this one is right. Then you just right to left. Let it put it up. Then put it both, because then it confuses them. Right? Then you put the direction where the adding is going. Okay? Okay? Yes.
Yeah. So when you add from the left, right, then right, it will be 80. Right, left, the answer will remain the same.
But you see, teacher, you're very sharp at giving answers. But your job is not to give answers. The best teacher does not give answers. A best teacher, your job as a best teacher is to teach the process of how to work out the question. The answer is just a drop in the ocean. Very sharp. You are very sharp at working within your head. Yes. But teach the process of how to do it. Yes, so can you explain? With arrows, which number is starting, which number we adding to which number? Which number we adding to the next number? Which then it equals what? You might even end up being a good math teacher than an English teacher. Be good at what you do to train for. That's it. Yes, I'm not a math teacher, but when I get a student to teach, I get a student tell me. I'm not math trained. Because I try to find simple ways of the learner to understand the process of how to do it.
I'm sure.
Yes, that's what you teach. Let me see. So which one is that? A. So A. Is it A, B, that means there are two different numbers. Can you just say A and A are being added together?
Okay. Then they are being.
So say A, so we're saying this one and this one, they are similar, going to add them together. Okay? Then the next is this one, B, and you put it like this. So they know that we are adding this number is being added to this number. Are you understanding? Yes. Okay? Now column, how do you do it? Well, that's a sentence form. So teach sentence form, teach column form. Teach picture representation also. So try to have 3 methods at least. Okay? In image form. Okay? Is it clear? You can see? Yeah, maybe you can go there. I know teachers will leave it at unit 8, but you're trying to show the learner that you're going to start off with unit 8. They put it in small letters. You're trying to teach them how to remember and how the process goes. That is not done. I'm coming up with my own method. Okay? So you put A in this. You are starting with A, which are the units. You are starting, then move into B. Then move into C, which are changes. Going back. It's a new concept to teach the process. In education now. That is what you're supposed to do. That's how you're supposed to teach. So by the time it comes there, everybody knows it. This is the throughout all countries. You know. You're teaching that. Okay? Yeah, okay.
So you're studying the unit 5. Here we have 0. So